All right, guys, so a little reminder, or here's maybe a new method for you on how we solve a triangle if we aren't given any angles. And for 4.1, or just to start, we will only be doing triangles, right triangles. So you can just use our 6 basic trig functions. So to solve a triangle means to find all of our missing sides and angles. And we'll see this year in this chapter, we're pretty much going to name our triangles by using the angles, and hopefully they'll be given. So we'll name the sides by using the lowercase letter with the angle across from it. So I'm already given side C and side B. So we need to find side A over here. And lucky for us, we can just use the Pythagorean theorem for that. So I could do 9 squared plus 5 squared equals C squared. And I'm going to be lazy and use my calculator. So I have 106. And we can just leave our exact answer for side C. I don't think I could simplify that at all. No, I think we're set. All right, so we've got our side that we were missing from the start. Now we need to find the angles. So we have our choice of trig functions. I'm going to start off by finding angle B down here. And I forgot my root for this guy, throw that in. I'm going to use the sides that they gave us to start in case I made a mistake, and since those are nice numbers. So using my B as the angle I'm looking for, that would be the opposite and the adjacent side that I have. So thinking back to SOHCAHTOA, that would be the tangent function. So I know the tangent of angle B would be my opposite side 5 over the adjacent side. Now, to solve for B, I essentially want to switch the input and the output, and we do that using inverse functions. So on your calculator, there is an inverse button, inverse tan. We're going to input 5/9 equals B. Make sure that you are in degree mode if you want your answer in degrees. Your calculator is automatically set to radians, so you may have to change that. So when I do the inverse tangent, I get angle B is 29.055 degrees. We usually do 3 decimal places to go through. All right, now that I have that guy, the other angle isn't hard at all. Since we know in our triangle all the angles add up to 180, I could really just subtract that from 90 since I already have a 90. So I'll do 90 minus 29.055, and we get 60.945 degrees. So we use inverse functions if we are missing angles, and you'll see on your calculator you have the choice of inverse sine, inverse cosine, or inverse tangent.